another sticker haul. This one is from the Crafty Student, and I did get this on a sale, I believe. Let me open up my... I love the Crafty Student. I use a lot of her stuff. All right, so the first thing I got was this freebie, and it has a quarter box, work box, habit tracker, pool time, TGIF, beach day, eat out, or out to eat, and suntan. And then there's our information. Okay, and then I ordered Football Mom, because y'all know I am, and football practice is coming up, so had to get ready. Pick up groceries. Order groceries. Get up early, even though I didn't want to have to buy it because I don't like getting up early, but hers makes me happy, so I did that. And then the medicine trackers, I love it because I can just check them off one day at a time. And then I got the Boss Babe Hobonichi kit. This is a Hobonichi Weeks kit, and it is gorgeous. Here are your day covers, your bottom washies, your 3-heart checklist. You've got lots of dots, your food icons, TV, money. You've got like little quarter boxes and half boxes, movie marquee, bill due, family time, coffee, clean the house, wake up early, habit trackers, paydays, flags up here at the top, and then your weekend banner here, and then your full boxes are here. Isn't that cute? And then even 2 more flags down here. And then the other one I ordered was Sweat and Shine. And again, the bottom washi, the days of the weeks, the weekend banner, your full boxes, habit trackers, payday, day off, flags, bills, marquees, food, dots, 3-heart checklist, so on. Are these not adorable? You get so much in a hobo kit, guys. So there's Boss Babe and Sweat and Shine. All right, so y'all go check out the Crafty Student. Her stuff is awesome. She's so affordable. She's so fast. I get my orders really, really fast. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and hit the bell. And add yourself to Planner Nina _Cricket. I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.